Mainit ang hapon sa Barangay San Miguel. Summer break, walang pasok, at wala ring masyadong ganap sa paligid, maliban sa bagong bahay na ipinapatayo sa tapat ng bahay ni Elian. Elian just turned 19. Kakagraduate lang niya ng senior high school, and now he's stuck at home, scrolling endlessly, daydreaming about college life in Manila and occasionally spying from their second-floor window. Because for the past few weeks, isang construction worker ang hindi niya matanggal sa isip. Kuya Marco,